Good afternoon. I'm Eldridge Grant. I'm with the Jefferson County Department of Health. More specifically, I work in environmental health. I am the Environmental Health Program Supervisor for the Community Environmental Protection Division. Let me tell you a little bit about that. We do on-site sewage disposal, which you know are septic tanks. We do aquatic water facilities, which is just swimming pools and spas. We do solid waste, which is garbage. So these are the things that we're involved in. Also environmental health, we also do food inspections as well as air pollution and other hazards. And this, on April 27th, after this disaster, a declared emergency status was established by a health officer. That put every employee of the health department on notice to be available to go to any facility to do whatever needs to be done. The health department is not a first responder, but we are the fallback. We are the safety net for anybody that needs any assistance. We're at the EOC. We work closely with the Emergency Management Agency. We work with the Birmingham Water Works. When the declared emergency was called into effect, the Birmingham Water Works had a problem with the Western Water Treatment Center. There was a boil water notice went out that nobody to use any water unless it was boiled. So here you got water coming out of your tap that you cannot use without boiling it. In most cases, you didn't have any power, so you couldn't boil water. We made sure that all of the restaurants in that area were closed or not serving food that was not unhealthy, so that there wouldn't be any areas or cases of foodborne illnesses. We've experienced a lot of situations doing this, but you see a lot of real reactions to the human spirit and the ability to kind of recover. We are probably going into the recovery stage now, and we'll be working in areas like Concord and Pleasant Grove, who are on septic tanks for sewage disposal systems. Make sure that their systems are working properly when they decide to rebuild, and we do have a lot of people who are requesting to rebuild. Now, we have a backlog. We have a team of people working Pleasant Grove and Concord now to issue permits on the spot so they can take our permits and say that this system is up to standard and go and get their building permits so they can rebuild. I was at one of the faith-based shelters today, and I saw a church from out of the county that has a wash ministry. They come in, set up, and they wash clothes for people who don't have washing machines in their home, whose homes have been completely destroyed and they need clothes washed. They've been here since last Friday, and they say they'll be here until the need is no longer existent. These are the kind of things we see all the time where people are really reaching out, helping each other, across any kind of lines, poverty lines, racial lines, and the sort. At Boutwell Auditorium during the first shelter, we were called in to do a sanitation survey to look and just see that everything was sanitary. Sometimes we forget that if we don't take care of ourselves, we can have foodborne illnesses, other pathogens that will occur that cause illnesses if we don't dispose of our sewage correctly, wash our hands, basic sanitation processes, and that our food is served properly. Our vision here for the future, as it is all the time for us, is to have healthy, livable neighborhoods. So as we rebuild, we want to make sure that the neighborhoods rebuild are smart growth, the neighborhoods are livable, we have good sewage disposal, we have proper water drainage, we have exercise places, we have places to walk, we have places to exercise. We want a smoke-free environment also. So this is our vision of Jefferson County for now and in the future. Thank you.